So guys, take a gander at that. You know what that is? That's lavender. You know where it is? At my front door. This lavender bush, well, several lavender bushes, is probably about 2 years old. There's probably 5 or 6 plants in here. You can see the bees just a-buzzing in there. It's beautiful. For whatever reason, it likes this corner. So we have got lavender everywhere. I love it. Show you some more. Look at all my mint down there. All of that down there is mint. Yes, it's overtaken a little bit. I'm having to pull it back so it doesn't take over everything. Got a Wogelia plant down there. Pretty, huh? This is Angela Taylor with Taylor Homestead Soap, and today's soap is a Ylang Ylang soap. If you don't know anything about Ylang Ylang Essential Oil, generally it causes your batter to seize or your batter to rice. It caused mine to rice, and I was soaping at about 85 with the lye water and 75 or so with the oil. So I still have some of that to deal with, and I didn't put it in all the colors, just put it in the green color today, just because I knew that was what it was going to do. So this one is based off some pink flowers with a white base and pink in it, and pink flowers on the top. So it's really very pretty. I love soaps with white base in them. So as you can see, this is the front of my house here. I got my pots, and you just saw my lavender. So we live on about an acre lot here. Honestly, guys, I would love to have like 10 acres. Maybe more like 15 acres. I would. Without alpacas and bunnies, and I would. It would be a nice dream. So anyway, if you like what you see here at Taylor Homestead Soap, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. I'm going to be using Ylang Ylang Essential Oil. Now, as good as this smells, it does cause your batter to saponify very quickly. So I'm just going to put this in the bottom layer of the soap so that I can do some swirly stuff on the top part of the soap. The first thing you do is you add your lye water solution. This one I have titanium dioxide. This one is Love Poem Pink. This one is New Leaf Green and Green Vibrance. And this one is one of my new favorites, Raspberry Red. You see it's more pinky, but it's raspberry. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stir the green up, because the green is what's going to go into the bottom of my Here's the other reason. This Ylang Ylang will set this up pretty quick. So this is the only thing I'm going to put in. This is the only fragrance I'm going to put in this one color. So we will see what happens next. I'm just going to stir it like this. Yep. Ooh, see the ricing going on there? So a lot of fragrance oils that are flower oriented rice. So I'm gonna just stick blend it out. Oh, fuddy duddies. had my green set up, but my pink for my flowers is not set up yet. To the point that it's draining out of the end, even though I've got it all curled up here. And I'm having to re-pour it back into my container. That's frustrating. So it's super, 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 super right now. So that's what I'm waiting on right now. Woo, y'all, this took like over an hour for this pink to set up. It was so runny. It was so runny. What in the heck? So I hope I can do this right. We are to the cutting of the soap. Look how pretty that is. Woo, pretty. Alrighty, so let us see what it looks like on the inside, shall we? Blink.
Pause for a sec. He's eating
And remember, you are loved. Go be a blessing to someone else today.